Professor Samuels is inviting you to be a sugar sleuth. Before buying a product, one should read the label and look out for added sugar, and it won't always be called sugar. It's often described as evaporated cane juice, fruit juice concentrate, brown rice syrup, malt syrup, corn syrup, date syrup, barley malt, or galactose or glucose.
Hidden sugar is a term that is used when they are talking about foods. And sugar comes disguised with many different names. Maltose and fructose and sucrose and corn syrup and all of these things. And so a lot of times when you look on the label of a product, you don't see the word sugar, you will see something else. And if you don't know all the disguises for sugar, you might not realize that it is in fact sugar.
She explains that human eating habits have changed over the years, and some of these habits put people at risk of non-communicable diseases like childhood obesity.
Okay, so what happened is that, say, 50 or 100 years ago, the main problems were communicable diseases. Polio, diphtheria, tetanus, tuberculosis. Over the years, immunization, yes, the same immunization like we get for COVID. Immunization against all of these diseases have changed the face of the disease pattern and also allowed people to live much longer, because children used to die a lot in early days from all of these preventable diseases. So we have kind of conquered that, but at the same time that we did that, we went into what we call the nutrition transition. At that time long ago, we used to eat what came straight out of the earth. Now we are eating out of tin and from the fast food, and it's everywhere. French fries with 3 meals a day. That change in the diet culture is what is causing our steep increase in the risk factors, especially obesity, and also in the actual diseases too, especially in children.
Childhood obesity is a problem. It is a serious medical condition that affects children and adolescents. It's particularly troubling because the extra pounds often start children on the path to health problems such as diabetes, high blood pressure, and high cholesterol. Child obesity can also lead to poor self-esteem and depression. So what can parents do about it?
Again, I want to go back to the drinks. Give your children water to drink. That is one of the most important things that we can start with, and it's doable. It's doable, you know what I'm saying? Because that sugar in the drink is very dangerous. Because when sugar just gets it in a liquid into your stomach, it's absorbed immediately, and you get a sugar spike, and then the insulin comes and then you get a sugar crash. So the sugar goes down below the normal level, and then you want another soda to bring the sugar back up. So we need to get out of that sweet drink thing.